It is prime time to be planting all the things in the garden deep in the south here, and I wanted to show you this newly installed arbor trellis that we were gifted by Garvee, and we have big plans for this trellis. I have some miniature pumpkins that I'm really excited to try out this fall season that are going to go in the patch right next to it, and we're going to see just how far we can get with these pumpkins going all over this trellis. It's going to be super cool. Toddlers in the family are going to come over for a little fall harvest pumpkin party. We're going to decorate. It's going to be so fun. I have big plans, like I said, so I'm so excited that I was gifted this to set up and show you guys. My husband helped me put this together. It is definitely a two-person job, but I wanted to be extra sure that it was going to be very stable because the pumpkins were going to be growing on it. So we got these stakes to go in the ground. We attached it to the trellis itself so that I 100% know that it's not going anywhere and is firmly in the ground. So we dug 2 deep holes and put both sides in them and put the stakes in and attached. And it was really easy to build. All of the packaging was very solid and protecting all of our pieces for this. So the dimensions look a little bit like 85 inches tall, 63 inches all the way across the very end. And then for your walkway path, you have 47 inches. And look how, it's just like perfect. The dimensions fit over our walkway amazingly. It looks so good. This is the darker brown color, and we have a lot of more earthy tones in our garden area. So it fits really nicely, looks very appealing. So excited to use this. And the construction of the wood itself is really good. You can see up close, really good quality. I'm excited to have this last for many seasons in the garden to come, and just have all the pumpkins hanging down. You can even put morning glory, a passion vine, just any kind of vine. Just make sure you have a little bit of space to plant it, or you can put a pot next to this if you don't, and then just let it climb. But I'm really happy with the installation and the experience of this so far. Looks great, good quality. So if y'all are in the market for a arbor trellis like this for your garden, check this one out. You won't be disappointed. Hopefully you like it as much as I have.